So hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial about Blender, and this is tutorial about we are going to make an animation like this one. I posted the shot. So, this was the thing, and we are going to make this, and it take me one whole day to make it. Only one whole day because it was very simple and easy. So let's start. And if you want to download Blender, and one more thing, if you go and check out this video, basics of Blender, so see means in that tutorial you can notice something like this navigation. It's different. Why? Because this is a new version and that was the new version. So what I was posting on 6 June. So that one video has different version. That was 2.92 and this is 2.93. So if you want to download Blender, you can download from here. This is the means go to blender.org. I will give you the link in the description and hit basically download. And you can take the different versions. If you have Mac, you can take Mac, and so you can also look there keys, pencil, and all that thing. So we'll go to our layout, and this is the 2.93 layout. So we'll press A and just delete it by pressing X and delete. Now we'll to add mesh and take a UV sphere and just don't click anywhere else, because if you click, that bar will go, and if you select again you can't take it back. So you have to again delete it and add a UV sphere, and then just click on that little arrow and make the segments bigger because we need much smoother, and rings also bigger. A little laggy thing is happening. So you can add some rings. So it's done and my bar is gone. So it means I can't tell you it's much smoother. So nothing to do. So this is our first one. Then you can press S to scale. Or means if I pressing any shortcut, so you can see my shortcut means right here. So make a little more bigger and then see these many vertex are the faces and vertices in my mesh. If you go to edit mode, see what's this. So you can press del, this key, or you can before the escape key, that key, you can go to top, that all things. So I'll go to view selected. So go to means normal mode and go to solid. Press Z to go to all in the render preview and all that things. So if we add any shape, now we are making that whole thing. So if we add any shape, I'm much sorry guys, that was a problem. So troubleshoot. So see, if we add this shape here inside, we can't see from outside, and because why it's add inside this, because our cursor is inside that. So you can see that little cursor, this red color thing, we can't zoom into it, but that red border, red and white and little orange inside it, that is our cursor. So if we keep anywhere our cursor, just select this cursor tool and see, and if we add anything there, a plane, it will go to that there thing, but I don't want to keep there. Oh, and if you by mistakenly click anywhere and you can't place it exactly on that thing, means in the world origin. Then press Shift S, then go to cursor to the world origin. So that is done. And if you go to wireframe mode, you can see inside the things, but it's looking means like very trash, like a trash. So you don't need to go to wireframe mode, only you have to go to X-ray mode. You can press this or press Alt Z, so that we can select this. Oh shit, Shift S. Then take this. What the hell is this? Then select that object, then press Shift and middle mouse to pan, and I'll just open something. So guys, I opened something in the Chrome to show you, and also for me. This thing, this means, see the Mercury. First that was a Mercury, and it's means will not do the exact size, like Sun is bigger and then Mercury is smaller, not like that. Sun is bigger, Mercury is little more bigger, same size, because it will go much smaller thing, like much smaller, so we can't also see it. So we'll just press G and X to make it to this axis, and I will keep here, and I will just go to this mode, and now we can scale it. I'll scale it this much. More I'll scale it. I'll scale it. So press G and Y. Oh sorry, right click if you undo. See, I press G and Y, so it goes, and I press right click, then it will go to his normal place. Then press G and X, take it this much away. Then press Del or PVT. No, that is not PVT, I think so. I don't know. Whatever. So this is a Mercury and Alt Tab. So I will add all the means planets and show you later. So guys, So guys, I have did it, and it's looking like this. And now I'm showing you how to add the ring to this Saturn. Sorry. So I'll press yes, select it, and now press Shift S, cursor to the active. You will see it will go to the selected object. If I select this, Shift S, cursor to the active, it will go there. So I'll press Shift S and cursor to the active. And now make sure that your X-ray mode is on. Mode. What is mode? And you can also go to modeling tab, and you can do, because there's no tab there. And you can press tab to go to tab object. So that is done. A minute. So this is done, and now we will add a torus. So why torus? Because it is similar to the rings. So that torus, I will hide that thing. So we'll add torus, and that first we have to scale it up. So this segments will be okay, and those should be on 3. The minor segments should be on 3. Minor, whatever that thing, that should be on 3. And go to top view and just needs to the this like this much. Okay, 1.2. Now do that means minor radius to 1.2 and just click aside. Move this and click aside. It will go. Now select this, go to edit mode, then go to y-axis. Make sure that your box select tool is there and select this part, only the upper. Okay, if you're not in X-ray mode and if you try to select everything, see it's only half sun, so that's why we have to go X-ray mode. Go here and press G to Z. So there was a problem. So select this and press G to Z axis and just do like you can use the arrow keys to make exact, then hit enter, then select this down one and press G to Z axis and then up arrow and hit enter. So it is like this. Nice. So go to edit means object mode, just scale it. Oh sorry. Now select this and scale it this much and then press R to Z axis, R to Y axis, take it this much. Alright, so you will see, and then now we'll add material. So this is the link from where I have downloaded everything, and you have to download Mercury. You have to download this all things, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this ring also. All these things you have to download in 2K. If you want 8K then 8K, because I have experienced that 2K and 8K are both. Only the sizes of that file is much. So you can copy all these files, this all 3. I will give you the link in the description of this thing. And you have to download this planet section. You have to download all the planet texture. And this Earth one you have to download Earth day map. Sun, moon and stars you have to download sun and moon, and not any extra things. So I have downloaded and I will show you I will add and show you the one texture. 1 second. I will add and show you two, means I will add a texture to only one planet, and I will add it, and you will see my time lapse. Sweet. So select this. First we have to name it. You don't ditch that on my spellings. More. I'm name it short because I don't remember. Which is this? Oh, this is Venus. This is sun, I think so. Sun. This is, and also I was going to tell you that in the solar system there is no moon, but we will also add moon. like not the moon. If you go to here, you can see there is no moon. Here also. So that's why I will also add moon, and we will also animate it. So we have named it, and I will show you add texture to it. How to add texture? So for texture, you have to go to material tab here. So you have to select the object. Just make it a little bigger. And you have to go to this material panel, material properties, then click on this plus, then new. It's some little laggy. My PC is very lagging. To select this Mercury and new this to image texture. Open solar system and here Mercury. So this is a material. So I will add, don't add to sun, I will add to all these. I will show you the labs. So guys, I have add all the textures. So you can go. I can go to material, click remove. You can see all the textures leaving sun. So guys, for today is this much, and next video will be also about this. Means the animation about the sun. So that was the thing, and also don't forget to save, because when I was making this one thing I didn't remember that I have to save it, and I didn't save and I have to make it again. So in that day I made it again. So you don't forget to save, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and please don't dislike. So like, share and subscribe. So also press the bell icon, because if I'm posting any video, you will get that video early, first video. You are the first viewer. And comment me down if you have any problem or doubt. I will reply. So this is the texture adding, and also the thing that if you go to that thing, and if you want to look that, and also Venus surface in Venus atmosphere, we have to take Venus surface, and if you click on that, if you click on download, it will show you like this. You can close it. You can click on this download, then right click, open there, save image as, and whatever thing. So guys, thank you for watching. This is first part. I will post the second part earlier. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.